According to the CDC, flu rates are higher than they've been in at least 15 years, leading to some school districts to close for increased illnesses there.
Natalie McCain has more on the steps Texas schools have to follow for an entire school to shut down.
Between constant coughs and strings of sneezes, flu season is in full swing. But the CDC says it's the most intense one in over a decade. So bad, Holiday Superintendent Cody Carroll says it caused a 3-day shutdown.
We had gotten to a point where we had about 25% of our kids out.
Several schools across the state have seen closures, leading some parents to question why Cityview ISD didn't close its doors last week.
The school districts that canceled for school had literally hundreds of more kids absent than we did.
Superintendent Dr. Jesse Thomas saying Texas allows a closure if daily attendance is down 10% than the previous year. And with 86% attendance, it wasn't enough.
If we had decided to cancel over sickness, again, we have 1,200 kids in this district. 1,100 of them weren't sick. So I've just now told 1,100 healthy kids, you can't come to school today. You can't get your free breakfast, free lunch.
To combat the increasing numbers, Jacoby Reynolds with the Public Health District says precautions like vaccines can change the game.
If you do get sick, you're not going to get as sick, more than likely, and you are less likely to be hospitalized.
Taking precautions and sterilizing, dramatically lowering Holiday's high rates without hurting the district's required minutes.
The numbers started going down. We still had a few days where, we had, a lot of kids out, but it was nowhere close to those numbers.
Even getting it now, like the flu shot, it's later in the season. It's still a great time to get it because if you were to be exposed to flu, you would have some protection.
As numbers continue to rise. Natalie McCain, KFDX 3 News.
For more on ways to protect yourself from the flu, just click inside this story on our website.